Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your iPhone. Today we're tackling a really frustrating issue when the Face ID and Passcode option is completely missing from your iPhone settings. If you've run into this problem, don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. Stick around for step-by-step solutions to get things back to normal. So you're trying to set up or adjust your Face ID or Passcode settings, but when you go into your iPhone settings, it's nowhere to be found. This can happen for a few reasons. Your device might be restricted, a software glitch could be causing the issue. So let's dive into the solutions. The first thing to check is your screen time settings. If you or someone else has enabled restrictions, this could hide the Face ID and Passcode option. Let's start by opening settings. Then navigate to screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Check if content and privacy restrictions are enabled. If they are, scroll down to Passcode and Face ID and tap on it and make sure it's set to allow. Once done, go back to settings and see if Face ID and Passcode have reappeared. If that didn't work, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Outdated software can sometimes cause bugs like this. In order to update, open Settings, navigate to General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If none of these work, resetting all settings could solve the problem. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset your preferences like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connections, home screen layout, and few customized settings. To do so, open Settings, navigate to General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. And proceed entering your passcode. Once your device restarts, check if the Face ID and Passcode option is visible again. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.